Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy 2K wired indoor camera. This is a pan tilt camera, model number C220. So this has onboard storage. You can put a micro SD card right here and it can store everything that it records, and your live views, you can record them right here locally on this. Now you do have to plug it in the entire time. Here's the cable. It is 80 inches long and it's USB-C. So right here it's USB-C and it's going to plug in on the bottom right there. So plug it in like this and it sticks out the back. There is the sync button right there that you're going to press during setup. You can mount it to the wall if you'd like. So you can mount this to the wall and then it hooks on that. Kind of like this, yeah. Then you're just going to mount it to the wall and then press it down onto it like with those hooks. Now it does come with a wall charger. You will have to plug this into the wall. This is the AC adapter, 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Its output is 5 volts, 1 amp. Now again, the cable has to be plugged in all the time and it's 80 inches long. Plug it into the wall outlet and let's go plug this in now. Okay, so I've got it plugged in for the first time. Now we got to set it up. It's best if you put the SD card in first, or you can pan tilt it later, but it's going to do like a calibration first. So in the eufy security app, you're going to click on add, hit the little plus button and add a wired camera. Click on C220. Okay, it's going to activate the camera on your phone and you're going to scan that QR code. You're going to select your Wi-Fi, give it your Wi-Fi password. Now it's asking me to press that sync button. In the app, it's telling me to press that till I hear a beep. Okay, the next thing it's going to have you do is you're going to take your phone. Your phone's going to display a QR code and you're going to point that lens at your phone so that it can recognize. You may have to move it in or out, but it's going to recognize that QR code and now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. This may take a little bit. Okay, that took about 30 seconds. Now, one of the first things it's going to do, it's going to want to update itself. This can take about 5 minutes. Now, during the update, you don't want to unplug it and leave your phone open. Okay, so after the update, it is able to connect to the Homebase 3. So it can store all of the information if you have a Homebase 3. It can store all of the videos that it records to that Homebase 3 through your Wi-Fi in your house. You can do cloud storage. You can do local storage on a micro SD card, or you can store it to a Homebase 3, which I've got a hard drive in there, which it can store a whole bunch. And you can have it record only events or continuous recording and events. Now under the settings, you can turn on motion detection, sound detection, pan tilt settings. You can pick what, like where you want it to look and where you want it to be stationary so that when it starts tracking something, it'll start tracking it. And you can turn on or off AI tracking. Now this does have 2K, which is twice as much as 1080p resolution for the video camera. It only has one video camera. Yeah, the resolution is extremely clear. And here's the pan tilt. I can turn that on and now I can control the pan. I can pan and tilt it myself. And it can also do this with AI tracking. If it sees somebody or a dog, it'll start tracking them and watching their movements. Okay, so it's about 4.5 inches tall, about 3 inches. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.